So let's go and check out Four Queens Casino, Hotel and Casino here in downtown Las Vegas. So they have a truck in the entrance right here. And they have slots here. Then handcrafted microbrew. So this is a bar, Chicago Brewing Company. And then we have table games in here. So slots on the right and table games on the left. Oh, okay, so they have the Magnolias restaurant and the Hugo. Looks like they have the Magnolias, that's a restaurant, and the Hugo Cellar, which is a bar. Here. So we'll go through here. As you already know that the middle part is table games. And so this is the casino cage right here. Casino cage. Casino cage. And then okay. So it looks like they have a small food court that goes up there. And then these are the, okay. So these are the elevators to the hotel rooms. And okay, so this is their front desk. This is their front desk right here. And then they have nice shops here. And so this is the exit to their parking garage. And so go back here. And just want to see this aquarium that they have here. All right. So these are the slots area once again. Slots. So going up there, that's where their mini food court is. And then these are their merch. And then this is their players club. I think if you rack the points, this is where you could get rewards. And this is the restrooms right here. Restrooms. Okay. So this is the huge slots again. That is being a feature here in Las Vegas. They have huge slots. A lot of slots. Okay, so that is the exit to the Fremont Street. Then again, we'll go around here. Because I want to show you that there's a bar in here. There you go. There's a bar. This is their bar here inside Four Queens. And more walking back again to the table games. Then there are also slots here. Slots. Okay. That's their North Tower elevator. That's Fremont Street, and then they have another bar here. Or so they have a lot of slots again in here too. Slots, and then that's where the bar is. And slots, slots. So we're going out now where we started, from the truck. And so this is Four Queens Casino here in downtown Las Vegas. So like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to watch this video next, and thank you for watching.